Hi friends, here is a nice equation that we have to solve. We have 2x by 2x square plus 5x plus 2. This should be greater than 1 by x plus 1. Let us try to simplify this. What we will do, let us try to bring this one to the left side and simplify this. Okay, what does this mean? 2x by, what is 2x square plus 5x plus 2? That is 2x plus 1 into x plus 2. So for example, 2x square plus 5x, that is 4x plus x plus 2. That is 2x into x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2. That means 2x plus 1 times x plus 2. Right. So that is this. X plus 1 into x plus 2. 2x and minus of 1 by x plus 1. What does that mean? 2x into x plus 1 minus of 2x plus 1 into x plus 2, which is nothing but 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Right. So this becomes this one. 2x into x plus 1, that is 2x squared plus 2x minus whatever this one. 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. This and this will get cancelled. 2 minus 5 is minus 3x minus 2, which is nothing but minus of 3x plus 2. Okay. The numerator is minus of 3x plus 2 by 2x plus 1, x plus 1 and x plus 2. This should be greater than 0. Now clearly we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms. So this can change value. This can change from positive to negative whenever these things change from positive to negative. So for example, if we have x minus 2 by x minus 1, what does that mean? When x is greater than 2, both will be positive, right? When x is less than minus 1, then both will be negative. Sorry, x is less than 1, this is also negative, this is also negative. When x is between 1 and 2, right? This is positive, this is negative, right? So whenever x crosses this point or this point, the value of this expression changes from positive to negative. Similarly, when x crosses from minus half here to x plus 1, if it is 0, then x equals minus half. Crosses minus half, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 by 3. Right. Whenever x crosses these ones, the value changes. The value changes from positive to negative or negative to positive. The sign of this expression will change. For example, here, when here x is greater than 2. In this case, both are positive. X is less than 1, both are negative, and x lies between 1 and 2, then one positive, one negative. So the expression value changes from one to another. Okay. So now for this expression, let us see. We have when x changes at minus 1 or minus 2, minus half or minus 2 by 3. Okay. So let us do this. Let us understand from where the overall expression changes or overall expression is positive. Okay. We'll use the number line method. Okay, let us order all these four numbers in the ascending order. Minus 2, minus 1, right? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 by 3, minus half, right? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 by 3 is minus 0.6 roughly, and minus 0.5. Now, here, let us take all the four cases. 3x plus 2, 2x plus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 2. See, when, which is any number lesser than x minus 2. This is x plus 2, right? This thing will be negative, right? Whenever, so for example, we take some x as minus 4, then minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, or minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So this value will be negative. Rest all cases it will be positive. And for example, when x is 0, okay, 0 is right off minus half. Then 0 plus 2 is positive. Similarly, when x is less than minus 1, here it will be negative, here it will be negative, it will be positive from here onwards. Okay, for example, when x is 0, this is positive, right? X is 0, this is this is positive, or x is minus 0.5, then also 1 minus 0.5, which is 0.5, which is positive. Similarly, this one is negative here, negative here, but positive here, but positive here. Similarly, this one is negative here, negative here, negative here, negative here. Sorry, this is negative here. This is positive here. This is positive here. Right. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 only when x is greater than minus half, then only it will be positive. Otherwise, it will all be negative. Right. Now we have one more minus. One more minus means that minus, let's put it like this. Minus one. This one more minus. Now overall expression. Overall expression, what will it become? Overall expression, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 negatives. So total will be negative. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negatives. So together they will become positive. Minus into minus or minus by minus will become positive. So 4 negatives and 1 positive. So this is positive. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 negatives. So that will be negative. Right. Here 1, 2, 3 positives and 2 negatives. So negative into negative is positive. So this is positive. Here 1 negative and 4 positives. So it will be negative. So basically what does that mean? When x is lying between minus 2 to minus 1 union minus 2 by 3 to minus half. Right. This is the case when this expression will become positive. Minus 2 to minus 1 and minus 2 by 3 to minus half. So please note, these are open brackets. Open brackets. We are not putting close brackets. Why? Because when it is equal to minus 1, the denominator will become 0. So this is not even defined. Okay. When it is equal to minus 1, denominator becomes 0, undefined. So this expression becomes undefined. So we cannot put close bracket here. Right. And minus 2 by 3. If you put minus 2 by 3, this expression will become 0. It is not greater than 0. Though it is in numerator, 3x plus 1, 2. 3x plus 2 is in numerator. When x equals minus 2 by 3, numerator becomes 0. So this entire expression will become 0. We want greater than 0, not greater than or equal to 0. That's why we are not putting open bracket here. We are putting close bracket here. Right, guys? So when x equals minus half or minus 1, minus 2, this entire expression becomes undefined because denominator is 0. But when x equals minus 2 by 3, this entire expression will become 0. We want it to be greater than 0. Right, guys? This is a way how we understand when the sign changes or when the value of expression changes from positive to negative when we have multiple products of multiple terms. This is a simple way. We'll just write in the ascending order and then go one by one. Which one will be negative, which one will be positive, and then we'll look at the overall expression. Right, guys? Thank you.